1 bag of medium cheddar right in our fondue pot. Cream cheese. Oh yeah, this is getting serious, you guys.
Wow, this is coming together so quickly.
Right? Now I have some Gouda.
Oh, I love Gouda. It's so smoky.
Oh yeah, you're gonna want that smoke in this. Okay, let me open this properly. And we're gonna put all of that right in there. Ooh, this is getting crowded in here, but it's gonna be so worth it.
So do you use different kinds of cheeses to kind of add to the flavor?
Yeah, you don't wanna just have a cheddar cheese fondue. That's
Right.
boring. Okay, let's season this baby up. I have some pepper here. Gotta make sure we get everything nice and seasoned. And I already have my fondue pot. Now I know that not everyone has a fondue pot in their kitchen. So if you don't have a fondue pot, you can throw this in your crock pot on low for an hour and get the same effect.
Ooh, what a good hack.
Yeah, now I have some salt here. I know that cheese already has a lot of salt, but we like things salty, right?
Wow, those grinders are cool.
Thanks. Okay. And you guys know we both love the garlic, so we had to add garlic, right?
It's my favorite ingredient.
It's okay. You can show your emotions for the garlic.
It's the love of my life.
Yes. All right. Now, this is optional, but I'm going to add some dried chives. I just love the depth this brings to my fondue. Ooh,
That
yeah.
looks so good.
Right? I am too excited, you guys. And you can use whatever seasoning you want. You don't have to use garlic powder. You don't have to use chives. Do you, okay?
You could even use Velveeta, right?
Oh, yeah, you totally could. That would melt like perfection.
Like butter.
Yes. Okay, now we have some half and half, and this is going to make it extra creamy. And we're just going to kind of eyeball this. And this is going to help all those seasonings, you know, travel to the bottom of the dish and just give this a nice, you know, creamy texture. Ooh,
Right.
this is gonna be good, you guys. Okay, so before we let this sit and melt, we are gonna give this a nice little mix so that that cheddar cheese does not burn. But this should be ready super quick. We can even turn up this heat all the way. We want it to be hot and melty. Ooh.
Ooh, this looks so good.
Right? Okay, now it's your turn to show me what you got.
All right.
Yum!
That's 60% cacao, Ghirardelli chocolate.
That's gonna be good.
The best kind of chocolate to use for this is a little bit bitter and a little bit sweet.
Like us.
That's right. This is some heavy cream. I'm gonna put about half of a cup in here. Ooh, I can see that chocolate melting already.
Oh, I'm ready.
Perfect. Now I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of orange juice with no pulp. You can also use Grand Marnier if you prefer, but I'm making this a version everyone can enjoy.
I love that.
Me too. We're gonna put in just a little bit of vanilla extract. I love that orange and vanilla combination.
Oh my, that
It's a
smells
classic.
so good.
There we go. One more for good measure. Don't tell anybody. Perfect. And now I'm gonna put in just about half a cup of sugar to sweeten up that bittersweet chocolate.
Oh, this is gonna be so good.
Yeah, this is gonna be amazing.
And you could skip the chocolate, or skip,
I wouldn't skip the chocolate.
you could skip the sugar if you're worried about, you know,
Yeah, if
too
you
much
want to
sugar.
make it lower calorie, lower sugar, you can skip the sugar. I might even add a few more chocolate chips to this, but this is looking
Ooh.
like it's going to be absolutely delicious. Put a little bit of moisture in there with that heavy cream so that chocolate can just be ooey and gooey, and we can dip it all in.
Ooh.
All right, I think we're just about ready to turn this baby down.
Ooh, I am ready.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my, these are looking so good.
Your cheese smells amazing.
Your chocolate looks so creamy and rich.
Thank you.
Oh, look at that. Woo! All right, is it time to dig in?
I think so.
Okay.
All right.
What should we start with?
Okay, I don't know about you, but I'm getting a little smoky.
Yeah, let's do a little smoky in
Love
the
it.
cheese.
Cheers.
Cheers! Oh yeah, come
Oh,
on.
wow.
Come on.
Those strings.
You gotta double dip. You gotta double
Okay.
dip.
Going deep.
All right.
That's so good.
Oh, I'm happy about that.
Oh my gosh. That smoked Gouda, so good.
All right,
Okay.
time for
What are you thinking?
dessert. I'm gonna do strawberry. Come on,
Classic. I'm doing a marshmallow.
Okay.
All right. Oh. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm putting a little bit of these.
Just
on
dip
there.
it in. I'm gonna go for it too.
Whoop.
Look how cute!
Adorable.
All right.
This is so good.
I think I like yours better.
I can go for more of yours.
We're so good at this.